Hi, I'm Rick with Byte2wayradios.com. Programming cables for some two-way radios can be a real pain to install. Now you can end the pain with the XLT Painless Programming Cable. Installing the XLT Painless Programming Cable on a typical computer running Microsoft Windows is very easy. How easy is it? Watch. All you need to do is plug the cable into a USB port. The computer will usually install the drivers automatically without any prompts or input from the user at all. And within a minute or so, the cable is ready to connect to your two-way radio. To verify installation, just go to the Device Manager in your version of Windows and click the plus sign or arrow next to ports, COM and LPT. Your cable should be listed along with the number of the COM port assigned to it. Some systems may take a couple of minutes to find the drivers on their own and may require your input to complete some of the steps. Even so, the process is still very intuitive, easy to perform, and painless. There are versions of the XLT programming cable for Baofeng, Kenwood, Ocean, Vertex Standard, Yaesu, and other two-way radios. The XLT Painless Programming Cable is available to ship from our warehouse at Byte2wayradios.com. If you have any questions about the XLT program cable, please don't hesitate to give us a call, email us, or enter our live chat at Byte2wayradios.com. If you like this video and want to see others like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Byte2wayradios. I'm Rick, and thanks for watching.